Our journey begins about 4.5 billion years ago, in a time so distant it's almost unimaginable. Imagine a vast, swirling cloud of dust and gas stretching across the cosmos. This was the solar nebula, the birthplace of our solar system, where stars and planets began to form. Gravity pulled everything together, forming the sun at the center, a blazing beacon of light and energy. Leftover material clumped together to create Earth and the other planets, each unique in its own way. Early Earth was a hot, molten ball of rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets shaping its surface. It was a time of intense heat and chaos, with volcanic eruptions dominating the landscape. Volcanoes erupted across the surface, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere, creating a toxic environment. Over millions of years, Earth slowly cooled down, allowing the surface to begin to stabilize. The surface solidified, forming the first crust, a crucial step in the planet's development. But our planet was far from peaceful, with violent volcanic activity continuing to shape its destiny. As Earth cooled, something incredible happened. Water vapor from volcanic eruptions condensed in the atmosphere. Over time, this water vapor formed massive clouds that blanketed the sky. Then torrential rains began, lasting for millions of years. The water collected in giant depressions on Earth's surface, forming the first oceans. These early oceans were teeming with dissolved minerals and gases. It was in this primordial soup that the miracle of life would soon arise. Imagine the very essence of our planet shaping itself over eons. Around 3.5 billion years ago, in the depths of the oceans, life emerged. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. They were microscopic, much too small to see with the naked eye. These early life forms were incredibly resilient. They adapted to the harsh conditions of early Earth. They were the pioneers of life, paving the way for the incredible diversity we see today. The story of life on Earth is a testament to the power of adaptation and evolution. From these humble beginnings, life embarked on an extraordinary journey of transformation. Section 4. From tiny specks to mighty dinosaurs, life explodes. About 540 million years ago, life on Earth underwent a dramatic transformation. This was a time when the planet's environment was changing rapidly, setting the stage for an unprecedented burst of life. This period, known as the Cambrian explosion, saw an incredible burst of evolutionary activity. It was a time when life forms began to develop new and complex structures. New and diverse life forms appeared in the oceans at an astonishing rate. The seas were teeming with a variety of organisms, each adapting to their environment in unique ways. Creatures with shells, skeletons, and complex body plans evolved. These new adaptations allowed them to survive and thrive in their changing world. This was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. The diversity of life forms increased dramatically, laying the foundation for future evolution. It marked the beginning of a new era, one dominated by complex multicellular organisms. These organisms would go on to shape the future of life on Earth. From the Cambrian explosion onward, life continued to evolve and diversify, eventually colonizing the land. This set the stage for the incredible variety of life we see today. Section 5. Humanity's Turn, a new chapter in Earth's story. This chapter is unlike any other, as it is written by the very beings who inhabit the planet. The reign of the dinosaurs came to an end about 66 million years ago. A catastrophic event that wiped out nearly all life forms, leaving the Earth barren and desolate. This mass extinction event paved the way for the rise of mammals. These resilient creatures began to fill the ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. Early mammals were small, furry creatures that lived alongside the dinosaurs. They were adaptable and resourceful, traits that would serve them well in the changing world. They survived the extinction event and thrived in the new environments that emerged. From dense forests to open plains, mammals began to diversify and evolve. Over millions of years, mammals evolved and diversified, eventually giving rise to our own species, Homo sapiens. This evolutionary journey was marked by numerous adaptations and innovations. Humans appeared relatively recently on the evolutionary timeline, only a few 100,000 years ago. Despite our brief existence, we have made significant strides in shaping our environment. Despite our short time on Earth, we have had a profound impact on the planet, shaping its landscapes, climate, and the future of life itself. Our actions have both positive and negative consequences. Earth's epic evolution is a story of constant change, adaptation, and resilience. From volcanic eruptions to ice ages, the planet has continually transformed. From its fiery birth to the emergence of life and the rise of humanity, our planet has witnessed an incredible series of transformations. Each era has left its mark on the Earth's surface and its inhabitants. As we look to the future, we must remember that we are part of this ongoing story. Our choices today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Our actions will shape the next chapter in Earth's epic evolution. It's up to us to ensure that this chapter is one of sustainability, harmony, and respect for the natural world.